Arrive in style with this Ram 2016 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 66 RFE, STD, electric shift on the fly transfer case included, storage tray, tires, LT 275/70R18E owl on off-road, spray and bud liner, protection group, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, LED bed lighting and diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.